Hey guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing a fun DIY craft. So keep watching this video. I've got my blue Jello here. We've got some cold water. We'll also use some boiling water, and we have our bowl that we will be mixing all of our mix in, and we've got some fun little toys for Ryan to dig out of the Jello. So let's put it all together. All right, so first steps, again, we're using our Jello. We are gonna go ahead and pour the Jello into our bowl. This is such a pretty blue. All right, we're gonna go ahead and use 2 boxes for this mix. Ooh, it smells so good too. Let's go ahead and pour that all in. All right, next we're gonna add some boiling water to the mix. All right, and we're gonna stir that for about 2 minutes. Now, once you're done stirring the mix, we're gonna go ahead and add our toys so they can go ahead and get submerged in the mix. So as we add more water, it'll cover it. We've got our little fish in there and some sharks and a little octopus. All right, so now we're gonna add a cup of cold water on top of the boiling water. And now we'll stir all of that good stuff. You gotta stir it really good or it's gonna kind of foam up, because that means all the powder hasn't dissolved yet. So we'll stir all of that, and then we'll stick it in the refrigerator. And we're gonna just keep this in the refrigerator overnight. And in the morning, we will have our ocean Jello for Ryan to play with. So, oh, wow, this is a magnetic fish. So this is the final look of the Jello before we refrigerate it. It's clear blue and it's ready to go for tomorrow's activity. So now I'm just sticking it in the refrigerator and we'll just let it sit here overnight.
Wait.
All right guys, so this is the final Jello. Ryan is gonna play in it. Okay.
Can I let him go?
Yeah. How's it feel?
He like how I feel.
He's like, what is that? Jello?
It's sticky, ain't it?
Yeah.
Here, come on.
So yeah guys, this was just a fun activity for Ryan to do. He can feel the texture of the Jello. Super fun. He likes the grass more. Get your hand, dig it in there. Ooh. Sticky. So as expected, you put so much effort into an activity with your child and they would rather just play in the grass. So that's what we did with Ryan. We let him just roam around in the backyard and he got to explore. So it was a super fun day. Love having family time. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.